What is going on, y'all? Welcome back to another Home Cooked with me, Ike. This is a fun one. This is a good one. Let me tell you why. Every once in a while, my wife comes downstairs and comes to me and says, "Hey, babe, let's make something." And it was perfect this time because I was frustrated already. I was making something. I was trying to re-record something that I recorded in the past and just couldn't get that same feel. And then she came down like, "Let's do something." And I was like, say no more. Completely scrapped what I had going on, and we got right into it. So let's get right into it. Here's your first instrument. It's pretty quiet. Need it in the background. I know, y'all, it's really quiet, but it's kind of just to take up space. It's annoying when it's loud. Here goes your second instrument. Set a key. These things smooth right here. Not too serious. Just a cool little 1, 2. You know what I mean? All right, now let's show you that third instrument. Now I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I don't completely remember which instrument is with, like who did what, right? Like I know my wife did some of these, I did some of these. The ones that I remember doing specifically, bass line and drums. I know I probably did a couple of these melodies too, but man, she was on it that day. I think that last instrument really makes the beat. I think it gives it life. That and the bass line. Ooh, and this one too. I can't lie, I like this one. As y'all can see too, this one is pretty simple. There's really not that many instruments. And I didn't do anything crazy with the structure, and I kind of just let it be. Man, I just realized that noise in the background, like that high pitch, is my laptop running. It's running all hard. That noise is annoying. I'm sorry, y'all. You know, I love that bass line. Y'all see that thing's turned all the way up. I like these sort of drums too. It's just a 1-2, but I feel like with the right melody, you can never go wrong with these. Super simple. And then a simple hat. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and let it build on itself as we always do. So first instrument followed by your second. That third instrument is pretty unique to me. I feel like it takes up a good amount of space. This is a cool instrument. Now, once again, between this and the bass line, that's probably my favorite too. I feel like they really breathe life into this. And this next instrument right here, between these three. If y'all hear me talking in the background, my wife had called me. I'm surprised the screen recording picked me up. But you know, family man shit. Now it's starting to come together, but it needs that bass line. My wife was happy when I put that bass line on there. She liked it. I was glad. too. Can't go wrong. Kick snare, kick snare. And a hat to round it out. I didn't mix this thing very well either, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I didn't take the time to do that. I just wanted to show y'all something that I liked and something that I wasn't necessarily going to use. I'm going to try and stop showing y'all stuff that I'm going to use. But here you go here with just the melody. And just the drums. Now I'm gonna give y'all about 2 minutes of this beat. Y'all can check this whole thing out together, man. I hope y'all enjoy it and enjoyed it. This was a dope one for me. I like the pace. It's at 60 BPM. I'll show that here in a moment. But we kind of got it double time, the way that we put the hats in, the way that the drums are. So I guess realistically it's more like 120. But we started out with at 60 BPM. I like this one because it's light. It has a light sound. Nothing too serious. You know, just a good, happy sort of sound, which makes sense, right? The wife helped me make it, so. I hope everybody's been doing good, man. I hope everybody been enjoying themselves, man. Staying safe, staying healthy, making good decisions, taking care of their family if you got one. You know, family man shit, of course. So you see there, I switched that at the top there where y'all can see that 60 BPM. It didn't take us very long to make this beat at all. We actually started, you can see down there, there's a vocal on there. We started putting vocal tracks on it, but we didn't really run with it. But we could come back to it because we got a cool little chorus. But I am glad that y'all tapped in with me. Once again, y'all know I'm going to keep doing these. Y'all know I'll be lacking sometimes. I think I missed a week. Maybe I didn't miss a week of this. I know I missed a week of my interviews. But hey, keep tapping in and I'm going to keep doing this, man. Much love to y'all. I'll see y'all next time.